Hey, good morning, Jim Hall here. It's been a little over a month now. You can see that Christy and I joined Live Good on February 6th, and today is March 15th. So it's been a month and 9 days. Things are moving super quick within the company. As you can see, 80,900 people have joined the company after us. Um, it's phenomenal. In just a little over a month, 80,000 new members, new paid members. These are paid signed up members. Now, this is in the company. I don't want you to get this wrong. I didn't sign these people up. This is in the company overall. But this is a forced matrix. So that does have some power for what's going on in the company. In our current team, if you saw the last video, our current team was fairly small at the last recording. Our current team is now at 728 members in just 1 month. This is as of Thursday, so this is almost a week old. Our numbers have grown a little bit more than that now. This list is the members in our team that have actually brought in at least two, that have actually sponsored at least two people. So you can see these are all two people each at least. Quite a few of them here that have ranked up to what they call bronze. This is a rank that triples your income potential. And then these are silver members. These have brought in at least 10 people. So people are moving along pretty quick. Duplication is happening. And then we have a gold member, which is you could get to gold a couple of different ways. That's either a heavy recruiter or team work. And then we have a current platinum member, which same thing. Bring in 100 members, have a team of 500. So a couple of heavy hitters on the team and a whole bunch of duplicators. So things are working for everybody. So that's some of the updates. What I also wanted to show you, of course, is our Job Free Revolution team site and the updates that are coming there. Of course, we have our team Get Connected chat, and I'll show that again here in a second. And then some other links for you that are team related only. And then we have a bunch of pages that are specific to us as a team. So you can get these pages that are only available for us as a team. These have been created by the team leader, and you get these pages to use as team-specific pages. Let me go back over here to the Telegram chat and show you our Telegram chat and show you how things are going over there. So here is our Get Job Free team. There's 331 members in our Job Free team now. I think the last time I showed you, there was like 30 or maybe 40 people in here. There's rank ups going on. There's a lot of value being shared. There's a lot of strategy being shared. Camaraderie, friendship, people holding people up, people talking about products. Just a lot of overall good stuff to help build a community and help keep people in the business. That's usually one of the big things with network marketing. Two sides of network marketing, right? You have a big auto ship that you can't afford, which there's no auto ship in this company. So that helps a lot. It's just $10 a month to stay in the business. And people are actually ordering product, even though we don't even have to order product. So that's pretty exciting. The products are cheap enough that people are ordering them because they actually use these products from other companies and they're actually saving money. So that's a pretty powerful new idea, right? And then, of course, we've got our celebrations in here, people getting rank up, bronze celebrations. So this is a really great place to show your team some love, give some ideas. People are sharing business cards in here, stuff like that, just to keep ideas flowing, keep people in the business, keep everything moving, and keep your income going up and keep your ideas flowing so that you can bring in new people. That's all I have for today. I just want to shoot this over to you and give you some ideas, and encourage you to go ahead and get started with us. We have a great team. We're growing super fast, and I hope to work with you in the very near future. Talk soon.